In this video, I want to cover what it takes to bring a design from a USB stick into the Bernina 790 embroidery machine. Now, a couple things before we get started. Number one, make sure you are using a Bernina USB stick or only a 1 gig stick. Now, once you've placed your designs on this USB stick, go ahead and insert it into the side of the machine, and then we will be selecting the USB symbol right here at the top. Once you do so, you will find that if you have created folders for any of your embroidery projects, they will show up first. Now, one little thing when I touch the folder I'm working on is I do use a Mac computer, and if you're working with a Windows or PC computer, this will not be an issue for you. But if you are working with a Mac, you will find some extra files that have been placed on the USB stick. It's nothing wrong with your computer, it's nothing wrong with your machine, it's just how it sees it. So the first half of your embroidery designs are these little pink squiggly lines. So just go ahead, slide all the way through the first half of the designs. Mine start to show up on page 8 of 16, and then I can pick the designs I want. So once you're seeing your design, you can pull it up on screen. You can choose the hoop that you're using and then be able to move it around, rotate it, size it, or even add another design to it by touching the plus and bringing in, say, another design, some other lettering, whatever you choose to bring in. So if you bring in a second one, you can position that. If you don't want that, you can go ahead and delete that one particular image. It's so easy to move around, but once you are ready to start stitching, you can touch the needle and thread, which will take you to the embroidery stitch out screen. So just remember a couple things when working with a USB stick. Number one, you need either a Bernina USB stick from your local Bernina store, a 1 gig USB stick, and make sure you are downloading either the EXP or DST format of the designs from your collection.